Long ago, before sound was born, there was silence. From the stillness of the universe, a sacred vibration arose. The sound of creation, the sound that started everything, the very first vibration of the universe. When we say Om, we feel calm, happy, and peaceful inside. It connects us with all living things, the trees, the wind, the stars, and every heart that beats. From this divine sound came the 7 notes: Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. The Saptaswaras, the soul of all music and all life. From these notes, the world found rhythm, emotion, and harmony. Now, our LKG 2 and UKG 5 children are here to take you on a joyful musical journey, feeling the emotions, rhythm, and harmony of Sattvaswara. Let's enjoy the 7 pillars of joy. Sa, the first note, Shajja. It means the start, the source of sound, the beginning of all music. Just like morning sunshine, Sa fills the world with new energy.
From the silence of creation rose the second note, Re, Rishabham, the sound of courage and strength. It echoes in every heartbeat that dares to stand for truth. From the sacred soil of Kerala emerges Theyyam, the dance of gods, fierce, powerful, and divine. It's the rhythm of faith and the fire of bravery. Let the beat of Rishabham awakes that spirit within us as the dance of Theyyam begins.
From the flames of courage now rises a gentle light. Gandharam, the knot of peace and purity. It is the calm after the storm, the glow that heals every heart. It glows like the flame of a lamp, shines like a child's smile, and fills hearts with light and harmony. As the melody softens, let our stage glow with the light of love and peace.
Ma Madhyamam is the gentle swara of love, care and compassion, carrying the warmth of caring touch and the calmness that softens the heart. Pa Panchamam is the bright note of happiness, balance and celebration, lifting the spirit like a joyful smile. When these two swaras come together, love fills the heart and happiness flows naturally. Thus, the combined sound of Ma and Pa becomes a symbol of tender devotion, pure joy, and a divine togetherness that turns life itself into music.
நறுமுகையே நறுமுகையே நீ ஒரு நாழிகை நில்லாய், செங்கனி ஊறிய வாய் திறந்து நீ ஒரு திருமொழி சொல்லாய். அற்றை திங்களன் நிலவில் நெற்றி தரள நீர் வடிய கொற்ற பொய்கையாடியவள் நீயா. திங்களன் நிலவில் நெற்றித் தரள நீர் வடிய குற்றப் பொய்கையாடியவள் நீயா
And now the swaras jump into bursts of modern energy, straight into the power-packed notes dha and ni. Dha thunders the heartbeat of courage. It gives us the power to stand tall, to move forward even when the path is hard. Ni shines with excitement, happiness and celebration. When these two swaras join, the stage transforms. They create the song of life itself, a song of friendship. Get ready. This is the moment we have been waiting for. The grand fusion of Dha and Ni. Let the music roar and the dance begin.
Oh my God. The music. Oh my God. The music.
सारी गाने बदनी से माटिया से that's what we say सारी गाने बदनी से माटिया से that's what we say एक को लग काट किलो लॉस काट किलो लेबर काट किलो सेट को पत्ती काट किलो होप काट किलो टैलेंट काट किलो इलांडा से तो कट्टिना पेरिया बोटलम secret of success Sarigame, Badani say, Matiyo say, that's what we say. Inda is say, Sunda is say, inside ile, Banda is say. To be a star, we show you how. Reach for the skies and never, never give it up.
The grand finale.
The music's playing, but I need it more. So we'll volume and shake the floor. I wanna feel it pounding in my chest. Turn it louder, giving me a blast. The bass is good, but take it to the sky.